Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include dual sun moonroof, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, power lift gate, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, navigation system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power passenger seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.